As a family court judge in Austin, Texas, Judge Aurora Martinez Jones is no stranger to difficult cases. But recently, she says, she started to notice something new. More and more children in the foster care system, but nowhere to place them.
I started having cases and the state was saying, Judge, I don't have an option for you to make a decision about where this child should be placed. After hearing that multiple times, I said, what is happening?
The state of Texas calls them children without placement, kids in custody of the Department of Family and Protective Services, but without a place to live, no foster home or care facility available. And the judge says they are overwhelmingly children of color.
Who are the children that are the most impacted by this?
So the children, by far and large, are teenagers. And then it increases if they've had involvement with the juvenile justice system or if they have mental and behavioral health needs.
Over the past 2 years, Texas has seen a sharp rise in children without placement. In 2021, that number peaked at more than 400. In some cases, it means kids sleeping in motels or even government offices. That was Sally's reality.
I was just sleeping in different offices for like a month or two.
Sally says during the worst times, they were either there or in juvenile detention.
I wanted to be in my room and cry.
Because it was that hard?
Yes.
Judge Martinez Jones says that only scratches the surface of what she hears from kids.
It broke my heart. I think about it now. It breaks my heart still. I still have kids in that situation. I'm responsible for them. I'm their judge.
Texas has one of the most embattled child protection systems in the country. For the past 11 years, it's been embroiled in a class action lawsuit alleging children's constitutional rights had been violated while in state care. According to the Texas Department of Family and Protective Services, it's working to increase services and capacity across the state, including offering financial incentives to help place older children in foster homes. Sharon Berger worked with the department for 23 years. She left in February.
What made you walk away? Children sleeping in offices and the staff who are rendered incapable of doing their jobs effectively.
She says caseworkers are forced to become caretakers, all on top of their regular workload.
What kind of an impact does that have on the staff? The staff are completely traumatized.
Both she and the judge say what's desperately needed is more support for children with mental health issues. So Judge Martinez Jones partnered with Austin's Safe Alliance, a local nonprofit, to create housing for 5 children, complete with mentors, psychiatrists, and ongoing support.
We saw that, wow, these kids can thrive if you just give them the opportunity and some support and stability.
Sally was one of the very first residents.
I just had a lot more independence, and I had like a steady psychiatrist, therapist. I had a steady school. I just had stability.
Did you start to feel better?
Yeah.
But that's what kids deserve. If they don't have a mom or a dad who's present in their life, I want them to know they have a judge.
Blaine Alexander, NBC News, Austin, Texas.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.